Last season, Uncle Ducky's took nearly 20,000 people out on kayaking tours. By the third week in June, all of the housing was completely booked. This season, the paddle crew has a couple expansions in motion.
Well, we are a very popular attraction in Munising, and the feedback is very positive. When you take that many people kayaking, it's hard to get the feedback from everybody. But everybody that comes and talks to us has had a wonderful time here, and they especially love the kayaking. Pictured Rocks is an amazing place. The cliff lines are beautiful. And then the camping and the stay is pretty unique too.
The housing offered is called Paddler's Village, located with the lakeside view of Grand Island, bordering national land. Additional tents and yurts are currently being built to total 40 units by the end of June. All housing has running electricity, and some can accommodate up to 8 campers. The restaurant and beer garden, the Duck Pond, located nearby, will be adding an outdoor grill as well.
Decided to expand because we do have a lot of people calling and asking for reservations when we're fully booked. So we need to have space for those people too. And the yurts have been so popular that that's what everybody wants to stay in.
Overall, Uncle Ducky's employs nearly 100 workers. Paddling Michigan has over 280,000 likes on Facebook and is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars. TripAdvisor users have rated Uncle Ducky's a 3.5 with a slew of excellent comments. In recent years, the company has received negative backlash from locals, one specific Facebook post reaching up to 2,000 shares. According to Scott, the tourism company wants to focus on the positive.
Well, I don't think we distance ourselves from the lakeshore. I think we're a partner with Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Being a business that operates inside the national park, we do partner with them. We try to work with them as best we can. You know, we work hand in hand together to make sure that everybody's happy.
For more information on Uncle Ducky's, visit our website, abc10up.com. In Munising, I'm Lauren Lee, reporting for ABC 10 in the CW5.